Welcome back everyone. So today we're going to do some little bit Nunchaku. We're going to talk about it, what it actually means, and 3 tips how actually to handle the Nunchaku. So come on over to the board, then we'll check out what actually Nunchaku means. So Nunchaku is actually 2 words, which is nun, which means 2, and chaku, which actually means feet. So the Nunchaku is a weapon which is directly translated to 2 feet. So what that means is if you swing it nice and far, that means actually you've got 2 feet of distance to cover. So the first tip I've got for you guys is actually to keep it at the end. So when you swing it like this doesn't mean anything, okay? Because this is not taking everything in consideration with the distance. So what I want you guys to do is take it at the end and then swing. Then you actually use the whole 2 feet of distance that you can throw and strike. The next tip, number 2, is actually swinging full arm length. So what that means is not swing it all the way right like this, but actually using your full length of arm. So it's the same way as you're doing kumite. If you're punching full length of arm. Okay. So what that means is you don't punch like this, half. You want to get to your opponent all the way nice and big. It's the same with the Nunchaku. Okay, nice big swings, striking all the way using the full length of the arm. The third tip I've got for you guys is actually catching it on the side. So when I strike, I'm catching it on the side, okay, on the hip. So every time it comes to the hip. So if you come closer and you see there, my hand's open, catching and releasing, catching and releasing. Okay, catch and release. So it's the same as kumite again. Hand at the back, punching and back. Same as kata, when you punch, hand comes in hikite. So that's the next video we've got for you guys while we're actually doing this. So first tip is grabbing it at the end of the Nunchaku. Second tip, striking full arm length. Third tip, catching it to the side. Okay. Right guys, keep practicing, train hard, and see you guys next week. Thank you.